Hello, students. I hereby narrate a short essay on pollution. There are many types of pollution. All these pollutions affect our daily life. Moreover, it directly affects the quality of life we are living. People who live in the city are more affected by air pollution. Pollutants like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide pollute the air. People who live in the villages do not suffer from air pollution. Water pollution is a problem for them. Pollutants like herbicides, domestic wastes, insecticides make the water polluted there. Water pollution lowers the quality of agriculture. Pollution affects our health very much. Inhaling polluted air for a long time can cause lung diseases. There are other pollutions like noise pollution, plastic pollution, and solid waste pollution. Thank you.